Stay on the sidewalk, otherwise they'll... We are down here at the Stockyards in Fort Worth. I have never been here before. I've heard that there is a cattle drive that happens every day. I have no idea what's about to happen, actually. I don't know if there's a parade. Are there going to be princesses? That would be awesome. I always wanted to be a princess. I definitely hope that people are throwing candy, not the cows, but you know, the princesses or whomever. So I have no idea how long this is going to be, but if you've ever been down to the Stockyards, maybe you never have, you were about to find out what the cattle drive is looking like. So let's go. It's fun. I'm just curious, do you think that they have named all the cattle? Like I would. What's a good cattle name? I feel like Franklin, Truman. I'm going with a theme here, presidents, I don't know. Maybe famous Texans, I'm sure that's the case, right? The cattle are coming. The cattle are coming. They're en route. It'll take them about 5 minutes to get here. Hello. That seems to be the end of the parade, but I want to know where the princess is. No princesses. Nobody threw me any candy. What is going on? I thought there was going to be princesses.
Why?
And like floats.
Why?
Well, I heard parade every day and I was not a thing.
No, it's a cattle drive.
It's a cattle drive. Okay, so there's nothing else that goes on that we should be waiting for?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
That's it. Okay. So nobody got trampled. It seems to be a very safe thing to do in Fort Worth at the Stockyards.
Next edition of Lolo and Wangogo, goat yoga. Hello.